Hey guys, good afternoon and we are back for another live drift exhaust sound reveal. Ang inyong pambansang bomba and my name is GM. And today, I know it's 12 noon. It's scorching hot, but I am more than thankful enough because our customers just brought me this delicious halo-halo. Grabe guys, oh. Kahit sa tanghalian, lalamig pa rin ang ulo natin, guys. So this is the halo-halo. What do you call this? Ben's halo-halo ice cream, all the way from Binyan, Laguna. And actually, our customers are from Calamba, tama ba? Calamba, oo, Calamba. But they have this business in Binyan, Laguna. Thank you so much for giving this to me. Sobrang sarap, and mamaya lalo ko pang papapakin yan, guys, no? So sa tanghalian yan ang best sa kainitan, right? And we go back to the topic at hand, which is the Triumph Trident 660. And I am just so happy because wala pang 1 minute, no? Ang dami nang nanonood sa atin. And I want to give a shout out to John Theo, who's present. Raymond Bulan is also present. Keanu J. R. Game, shout out to you. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yan si Michael Asia Lilton, who's also watching. John Santos is watching. Adriel Camu is also watching. Mark Paul Yalong, shout out to you. Boss, motor na lang, talaga kulang. Yep, absolutely. Masarap pagka nangangarap eh. But when you have a dream, you need to do something to reach that dream, diba? Hindi naman pwede puro pangarap lang, diba? So, John Mitchell, good afternoon. Justin Fernandez Santa Ana, kamusta? Kamusta? Mabuti naman. It's really hot today. I don't know if you guys have taken your lunch yet or you're done with it, but this should be a treat for you guys as well. Joshua Mantes, bomba na. Yan. Charles Benedict is also watching. Of course, hindi mawawala yan si Leon Dimonito ang nagbansag sa ating pambansang bomba sa super yaman na kaibigan kong yan. Marlon Estrella, shout out to you, brother. We just last night held in Pasig. What we've done is that, we've done a community makeover and sobrang ganda na nung lugar. And last night we had a acoustic and bike night. And probably I'll post that to you guys later para makita nyo rin. But yeah, we are doing this in leadership of the CCF community or Christ Commission Fellowship community. All right. Raymond Bulan, shout out from Bugsok Island, Palawan. 24 Marine Company, Sir GM Pambansang Bomba. Oh, thank you so much for watching. No? Francis Chris Rimalos, hello. Dorothy Dave, shout out. Rebecca, Jerick Averion, shout out to you. Pedison, shout out to you as well. Normandy Rodrigo, sabi niya happy lunch. Happy lunch to you as well, brother. Si John Santos, shout out Sir GM from Cagayan de Oro City. Wow, ang layo pa. Thank you. Ang gaganda, isang pasabog ng tanghalian na naman, sabi. Si Romar Picardal is all the way from Iligan City, no? Dublin Lemore, sabi niya, let's go another level, alright? So, ang dami na si Warren, syempre hindi mawawala yan. Nadadalhin niya na yung CB, bago nilang CB650R. Excited na rin ako doon. Ako, inaantay ko pa yung CBR 650 ko. So, sana dumating na rin. But, alright. Ito yung guys, oh. Ito na. Triumph Trident 660. What we've done with this bike was installed a full exhaust system. So, simula sa headers. Yan. All the way back to the muffler. And we used a Black Knight tips. Yan. So, grabe. Ang ganda ng itsura. No? You have that cafe racer look. Siguro Neo Cafe Racer look. Pero grabe ang tunog nito. But before we start, eto may nakita ka pa ako from Canada daw. Pa-shoutout naman, sir, kay BBM at Sara Lang Malakas watching from Canada. Oh, and speaking of which, ang dami ng, I think ilang araw na lang magbobotohan na. So, vote wisely. And God bless the Philippines. But before we start this bike, let's call on the owners. So napaka-sarap no kapag you see yung mag-asawa nagsusuportahan sa isa't isa. And I'm so happy that nakapunta sila at yung asawa sinuportahan, which is tawagin na natin sila. Halika dito kayo. Yan. So pakilala muna kayo. Brother, what's your name?
Edwin.
Edwin and?
Ana.
Hi, Edwin and Ana. So, saan pa kayo galing?
Kalamba.
Napakalayo naman yan, Edwin and Ana. At bakit kayo nandito? Naligaw ba kayo? Hindi naman. So, we want to also give a shout out to the bike haulers who helped them in bringing the bike here. And later on, they're gonna be sending or bringing the bike home to the Calamba, Laguna. So, shout out din sa bike hauler who's been assisting our customers. So ready ka na ba? Start na natin?
Okay, sige.
Alright, sige. Start na natin. You have the key? Susi. Alright. So, ito close up uli guys, no? Full exhaust system. Yan. So remember, the Trident 660 only has 3 cylinders. So yung headers niya 3. And then we've done an underbelly design. Alright, so Edwin, start mo na. So, idle lang natin. So, idle pa lang yan. O, dito ko na Edwin para hindi ka mainitan. Yan. So, this is the idle guys. Around 95 decibels, so pasok na pasok to. And of course, the low rumble tone. Ganda ng tunog. It's you got that deep bass sound na hindi nakakairata sa tenga, no guys? Yeah. Sabi ni Bunda Diana, good afternoon. Long live drift exhaust. Sarap idle. Nakaka-relax sa tenga. Yun ang maganda. Yung idle na nakaka-relax sa tenga. Toms, angas talaga ng Trident 660. Simon Ray, good afternoon. Malikon, ang ganda ng tunog. Leomar Korea is all the way from Makati City. Shout out to you. Elio de Chavez, shout out to you. John Castillo, can't wait to see you soon drift with my Z650. See you soon, brother. John Castillo, see you soon with my Z650. Oh, ang dami na. Siyempre yung kumpare ko. Oo nga, basket daw ng Honda City niya. Brother, hindi kita nakakalimutan, babalikan kita kagad. Israel Caballo, shout out. Tarlac Freedom Warrior, Matikas Eagles Club po. Shout out to you guys. Ryan John, Eric Mercado, good afternoon. How much basic full exhaust ng Honda Brio 2022 RS? It's 25,000 only, brother. Alright. Okay, I think we can already rev this. Edwin, ready ka na i-rev? Rev mo na! Tingnan natin kung magpapapansit to si Edwin. Mukha naman tuwa-tuwa. 127 decibels. So sigurado magpapapansit ka Edwin. Yan, papaikutin lang natin kay Mel ang ating pambansang bomba, ay pambansang rider pala. You know, basic lang sa kanya yan. Sarap na, no? Malayo pa lang, rinig na rinig ka na, guys. Alright. Patay mo na. Alright, Edwin. Yeah, dito na kayo. Edwin. Ano? Bingi ka na ba? Nabingi ka na ba?
Oo.
So,
Mag-iingay na yun sa Kalamba.
anong masasabi mo sa bagong mong exhaust system?
Ganda.
Yeah, dito tayo. So, meron ka bang gustong batiin or shoutout bago tayo, before we end this live?
Yung mga kasabong ko sa Kalamba.
You know.
Sa
Fajardo Sports Complex.
Ayan. Siyempre, pasalamat din kay Mrs. sa suporta na binibigay niya, di ba? Oh, yan. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll catch up with you guys again soon. And that's pretty much it. Bye.